What's going on? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is an official recording for me. It's been a really long time. Anyway, so let's head to the charts. We're gonna go to our daily time frame on Euro USD, and as we can see, price is currently bullish. On Euro USD, price is currently bullish, as we can see. Clearly, price is bullish. What is happening with Euro USD? Euro USD gave us a retracement to this demand zone right here, which is also a really great discount area. Okay, we threw up the fibs. Let's change the colors on the fibs real quick. Just put them black. All right, and we're missing the 88.6. Where's the 88.6? Jesus. 79. Anyway, let's do this one. 88.6. As we can see, price gave us a really good discount. Demand discount, almost a trend line touch as well. So we can see price came down, reversed, pulled back to the demand and the discount zone, which is a great. This was great for buys. Currently, again, price is bullish on the daily. Okay, when we go to the 4 hour, let's remove this fib. On the 4 hour, again, price mitigated demand. The daily and the 4 hour demand has been mitigated. Okay, we're seeing how price came up to this supply zone right here, but it failed to continue going down. So as we can see right here on my notes, what happened to my notes? Okay, I don't know where the heck over there. All right, so we can see here on my notes, reaction of the supply here failed, which is a potential sign of price pushing higher. Okay, why? Because the reaction wasn't strong enough to push down, right, from this supply, 4 hour supply. So what happened? Price is just currently pushing up, mitigating. So it's potential that price can continue to push up. All right, and we're seeing here how price, the swing trend is bullish, as we saw on the daily. But price came mitigated demand on this discount area as well. All right, so now we go down to, let's go down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, what are we seeing on the 1 hour? We're seeing a 1 hour supply as well right here. How price came, it actually reacted to this 1 hour supply, giving us a nice entry. Okay, but now we're currently here again in the same area on the 4 hour supply, 1 hour supply zone, and we can definitely go down to the 15 minutes time frame. And as we are seeing, 15-minute time frame came up, mitigated this 15-minute supply zone, which I failed to market. So we're going to market right now. This is a 15-minute supply zone. We're going to turn that blue. Okay, 15-minute supply zone. On the 15-minute, what are we seeing? I have any notes here? No notes on the 15 minutes. But on the 15 minutes, we're seeing price reacting to 15-minute supply, 1 hour supply in the 4 hour supply zone. Okay, price gave us a strong bearish push to the downside with a nice big volume candle push into the downside. Previous candle was a doji candle. Price was sort of undecided what it wanted to do. It gave us a nice push to the downside. So I saw that and I decided to enter in for a sale, because as we can see here on the 5 minute, how price created a nice bearish flag pattern right here, as we can see. Nice bearish flag pattern right here. Boom, price came down. All right, so I entered on this candle close, on this 5 minute candle close, giving me a little bit of wick. Now it's pulling back We're risking a 1 to 2.3. So basically, I'm basically risking 2, right? Which is 20 pips, right? 20 pips to make 50 pips. So almost a 1 to 3. Okay, so that's what we're currently seeing right now. And I'm gonna switch to my MT5. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but on my MT5, this is where we are. MT5, when I drop to my 15-minute time frame, I already had this marked up since a couple days ago, and I also had a fib here. And as we can see, let me do this real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna mark it from here. Okay, this is going to be my 15-minute zone. Price came up. You know what? Why is this not in the background? What's going on? It's in the background. Okay, price came up to our 15-minute supply zone, and as we can see on the fib, we have the cheap buy, which is the 78.6, and the kill zone, which is the 88.6. And we entered a little below, but it's fine. I am anticipating price to come down back to this 15-minute demand zone. Now, 15-minute demand zone, I would be looking for buys. I would be definitely looking for buys on this 15-minute demand zone. I'm going to set an alert. I'm going to set an alert there, and I'm also going to set an alert over here. Sorry, it's a little higher. Set an alert right there. This 15 minutes demand zone. This is a nice entry right here, ladies and gents. 15-minute demand. 15 is blue. Remember, 15 is blue. All right, so this is where we are. So we are anticipating price to give us this nice push to the downside, this nice pullback, take out this low liquidity zone right here as well, and then continue higher. Why? Because macro time frame, as we said, macro is bullish. We can see how price has taken out, okay, previous higher high. So this low strong because it took out previous higher high. I have to let this go real quick. Alright, it took out previous higher high as well. This low did the same thing, take out previous higher high, internal movement, and now currently sitting at discount demand area. Now macro bullish, 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour we are bearish. Okay, as we can see, price is creating lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, higher lows, lower highs, whatever the heck it's called. Anyways, we know, okay, but then here we're seeing how price is kind of somewhat shifting directions, right? Taking out previous old highs, internal highs. All right. Price came down, mitigated here, and now we're just currently sitting right here, just waiting to see what price decides to do. All right. Again, I am anticipating price to come down to this area, this nice 15-minute demand zone, and take out this liquidity, and then give us a nice push to the upside, at least to this 4-hour demand zone or this 4-hour demand zone. That's my anticipation. That's my analysis for Eurusd for today, ladies and gentlemen. Price is currently pulling back, which is fine. It's okay. You know, if price takes me out, price takes me out. Boom, I'm good. Doesn't matter. right? We also did a markup on AUD/USD, really nice. As we can see, AUSD is just currently on this zone right here. It's just mitigating, I mean, it's just accumulating right here, so not much movement on AUD/USD. As we can see, we have our notes here, and it says swing and internal bearish. As we can see, may see a pullback following the sweep of the low, so look for signs of bullish intent on M15, meaning price came down, took out these lows. Now we can see a slight pullback on the 15-minute, right? Slight pullback on the 15-minute to push up to this nice area right here of supply. We're gonna mark that as our 15-minute supply point of interest. All right, we're gonna mark it here. 15-minute supply. Remember, 15 is blue. So this can happen. Price came down to this 15-minute demand zone, took out the lows, took out the liquidity down here. Now it's just price just accumulating. We can anticipate a nice push to the upside, taking out this supply zone. Also a daily supply zone. If we go to the daily, as we can see, a huge daily supply zone. It's crazy as heck. And also we have a nice 4-hour right here as well. We have a 4-hour supply zone right here as well, okay, which is in confluence with the 15-minute supply zone right here. So we can see price come up, mitigate this 15-minute supply zone, 4-hour supply zone, and then give us a nice pullback to the downside. So we can anticipate this, and just a nice pullback to the downside. Nice pullback to the downside. That's what we can anticipate that. All right, so for now, we're just going to leave it like this, right? So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a blessed day.